Hi guys, ito pong muli si Mai Kalad Karin. Samahan nyo kami sa pag-iikot dito sa Thailand. Papunta nga pala kami ngayon sa Terminal 21. Pangalawang araw na pala namin dito sa Thailand guys. Ayan guys, dumating na pala ang pinabok nilang sasakyan na magdadala sa amin sa Terminal 21. Ang Terminal 21 pala guys ay isang mall na medyo may kalayuan dito sa pinag-stayhan naming hotel dito sa Pratunam area. So, ayan, panoorin nyo na lang kami habang nag-iikot-ikot kami sa mall na yon.
Terminal 21.
Yes.
Okay.
So, andito tayo ngayon sa Terminal 21. 70% off. Naka 70%. Yan. Yeah. Andito kami sa premium. Premium. Oh, how much is that? Ang cute. Ha?
Dapat yan.
399. 50% off. Ay, gusto ko to. How much?
Ayan, ayan.
50%. I like this.
How much?
Okay. So what size is this?
599.
If my feet is 39,
With 39?
39.
39พยา
ค่าเรือ
How much? 599?
นี่เนี่ย
599.
เท่าไหร่ซิกอ่ะ
599
อ๋อ
Uy, ate, maganda, no?
Maganda siya.
Oh, I'm taking a video. Is it okay?
Yeah. Is it okay that if
I'm
she
taking a
take
video.
ยังไงนะอ๋อได้เนี่ย
Yeah. Okay. Video. Oh.
สวยนะ
Nice.
Ay, ang taray ng lola ko. How much?
599.
1,000. Ano?
Sabi ni ate
Yung
na
ano, gamitin mo yung...
branded. Yeah? Is there a discount? No?
อันนี้เป็นทั้งหมด
Ano, May?
สวยนะ
500.
อ่าไฟเด็ด
500? It's okay.
ไฟเด็ดได้ไหน
599. Maganda te.
Magkano daw?
No, fix. 599.
สวย
Where is it? Yeah, the one I fit. Yeah.
นี่ตัวนี้
Yeah,
อ่า
that
โอเค
one.
เป็นโปรดักต์สเปเชียลไพรส์โซน
อันนี้รอให้เขาก่อนจ้ะ
How about this one? It's nice too.
ไม่ก็ดูอันนี้กี่บาท
อันนี้499
อ่านี่โฟน
Yeah.
เด็ดได้ที่นา
ห้าอันนี้
ไฟเด็ดได้ที่
599.
นานี่ที่เด็ดได้ที่นาที่
Okay. Okay, I'll buy the one I fit.
โอเค
This one is 459.
อันนี้เท่าไหร่นะ
อันนี้
เรื่องอะไร
499
โฟนเด็ดในที่นา
459.
59ใช่ไหม
499
อ๋อปี
โฟ
โฟนเด็ดไนท์ที่นา
สวยนะ
So, ayun guys, nalavat per set nga ako dun sa sandals. At yun na nga, binili ko na siya. Di na ako nagpatumpik-tumpik pa. Sabi ko, I shall return. Pero, di pa man ako nakakalayo dun sa store na yon, ay bumalik na ako para bilhin yung sandal. So guys, nakabili na ako ng sandals with the gulat.
Paldo.
599.
Second day in Thailand. 599 baht. The sandal is beautiful. Nagulat. Nung nagulat ka, napabili ka. Paggising niya, may nakitang sandals na gusto niya. Ayun. Di pa nakakaalis. Sabi, I shall return. Di pa nakakaalis. Bumalik na agad. Ay, nako. At least happy.
Happy. Ha? Toys.
Terminal 1 pa lang.
Ayun o, puro labubo.
Gate 1 pa lang.
Mina. Labo. Sa Uniqlo ko tayo. Doon tayo sa Uniqlo.
Okay. Bag. Where's the big shoe? This is the big shoe. Marikina? Yan guys, so mura lang. Dito yan sa Terminal 1, Gate 1, dito sa Bangkok, Thailand. Mukhang may nakapaldo na naman. May nakapaldo na naman. Paldo.
Paldo ka pa rin.
200 lang.
Di ba nagmaganda yung babae? Nagpusod-pusod.
Ay.
Sorry, you're still the number one.
No, this is just for the day. Just only one.
Only one? Are you sure?
Doon mamaya sa ano. Saan tawag doon?
I'm a super trip, I'm a super trip spender.
Wow! Ang ganda dyan. Pambata. No? Uy, si Mario! ano.
Washroom. Ayun ang washroom. Di ba ang ganda?
Washroom lang yan. Ang ganda. Parang nasa beach. Ah!
You're so pasaway. Ay, look at this. What is this?
Papasok kong sa Daiso, Japan.
Baka dito may connector. Hinahanap niya connector.
Connector?
Di ba ikaw?
Mm-mm.
Baka meron dito man. Kasi Dyson naman.
Here, yeah, I already found the USB connector. Type C, where is Type C? This one. Violet. Is there a purple? Purple.
Meron pink, gray.
Pero matibay ba to, te?
Ayun naman. Okay naman siya.
Or much better like this?
Dahil sa atin may ganito.
Parang meron. Ayun.
Much better ito. No?
Oh.
Kaysa compare dito. Compare dito.
Hindi, pareho lang din. Kulay lang kasi yung
Sa
pinagkakita.
palengke, Marcy, mamaya doon sa night market, pala ang bibili ko sa sketchy nito. Para may
Ano
handle
yun?
siya. Ganito.
50 yun, di ba?
Doon?
Doon din.
Hindi ko lang. 50 ba? 60. 60.
Micro for my cell phone. Wala bang Samsung dito?
Wala namang ganun yun. Celebration.
Can I,
Try it.
try? What's inside? What's this? Mochi. Mochi.
How much naman, Marcy? Yun ba? Idea ka? Awin ka ng tester eh.
Away lang daw. Look na lang siya.
Can we get out na here? Because it's so pricey.
Ayun siya.
Terminal 21. Hi guys, andito pa rin kami sa Terminal 21. Andito pa rin kami sa Terminal 21. At papasok kami ngayon sa Adidas Sports Outlet. Adidas? Sports Outlet. Sabi ko, iWorld. Ano ba yan? Sports World Outlet. Sabi ko nga Terminal 1, hindi pala. Terminal 21 pala. Ay kaboba ba?
Ganda na yung
Tela.
lamig sa So,
Pero,
it's 150 lang.
yeah. 300. Lens cart. Ah, maganda yan.